the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents...
Hello and welcome. Alright, my hacker du jour sure has their panties in a wad this morning. So let's have some fun in this scary subject as we watch the scariest video I've seen in a long time, dealing with the weather. First, we're going to be looking at the massive floods, mudslides that went through Chile, and then we're going to be looking at the Amapractis clouds that went through South Carolina and Georgia. Now, I don't think I pronounced the clouds right, but that's okay. They're just real big, creepy-looking sandwich bag clouds. Now, you may say to yourself, what is a sandwich bag cloud? And that's a cloud that looks like it's holding water. Yeah, it's a Thor News definition. Don't expect to hear it in science. But I am being totally serious about people being aware of the weather conditions and people being prepared for horrible weather conditions. Hello and welcome to my new series, Earth, Wind, Water, and Fire, or The Oceans Shall Rise. Technically, this might be a fear porn series in some people's definition, which I don't mind because I'm doing it to educate you. So our prayers go out to the people in Chile. Hopefully they can rebuild soon and rebuild something bigger and better. But I mean, this is just scary stuff because you don't have much time to prepare. And what do they have? Minutes? Seconds? They're walking around a corner and it's like, oh my God, I just found myself in an end of the world disaster movie. And if there's one thing that I, NASA, science, Edgar Casey, and Nostradamus agree on, it's that the water levels will rise. So I believe we need to start getting about 30 million people off the coasts as soon as possible. Because there's no telling. Why they will rise is not necessarily the point at this point. The thing that is the point is that the weather is weird, the sun is wacky, and I think we're going to see a lot of floods. Chile encountered massive floods, pretty much in mere moments. In under a minute, streets in a Chile village go from completely dry to 3 to 4 feet of water. And we're talking tidal pressure so strong it moves a van like it was a Dixie cup or a styrofoam cup. This is just amazing to watch. It's extremely scary. And that is a combination of water and earth. It looks like a mudslide. I mean, obviously the lucky people on the roof were prepared for it. Who knows? That had to have ruined the whole town. Now we're looking at some strange clouds from Georgia, which many people videotaped. Parts of that area saw severe flooding. And look how low and solid those clouds seem like. Ziploc bag. If clouds were Ziploc bags. It's from South Carolina. Credit Krista LeMay on the Twitter. And so the weather's been weird. I just know that everybody needs to pay attention to the weather. All intelligent human beings throughout the history of mankind took it upon themselves to watch the weather. We don't know if it'll be a month from now when the major rises will occur or 10 years from now. We just know that they will happen. So be prepared. In this hurricane season, you bet your ass, New York and the Northeast, you better be on high alert because weather systems have been concentrating on you all winter. I don't see why that would change now that we're entering into the spring. Because as we saw with the flooding in Colorado mountains that was wiping out roads and highways, you pretty much need to be prepared anywhere. Because anytime Mother Nature drops gigantic amounts of water and rain extremely fast, mixed in with high wind conditions, all infrastructure can be broken down. All right, God bless everybody. Have a good day.